Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the CCNA exam. First, familiarize yourself with the official Cisco exam topics. This blueprint is your roadmap, detailing every concept you need to master. Next, gather reliable study materials, including official guides, video courses, and reputable online resources. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each day or week to your CCNA preparation. Consistency is key to building a strong foundation. Theory alone isn't enough. Hands-on practice is crucial. Utilize Cisco Packet Tracer to simulate network environments and experiment with configurations without needing physical hardware. If possible, work with actual Cisco routers and switches to understand their physical aspects and command line interfaces. Actively configure and troubleshoot common network scenarios, like setting up VLAN or routing protocols, to solidify your understanding. This practical application will significantly boost your confidence. Regular review is vital for retention. Revisit key concepts, especially those you find challenging, to reinforce your knowledge. Once you feel confident, take full-length practice exams under timed conditions. These tests help you identify your weak areas and get accustomed to the exam format. Don't just look at the score. Thoroughly analyze every incorrect answer to understand the underlying concepts and avoid repeating those errors. This iterative process refines your understanding. As exam day approaches, prioritize getting a good night's sleep. A well-rested mind performs better under pressure. During the exam, read each question carefully and manage your time effectively to ensure you answer everything. Don't dwell too long on a single difficult question. Mark it and return later if time permits. And hey, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your CCNA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.